Mark is also very special. Yeah, he was hatched in Greece as well. But we already know Mark is 7 years old. Does anyone want to guess his age? You say 5, 21, 8, 30, 30, oh, 30. And you 10, will you? That's 9. That's 4, yes, okay, that's right. 2, 10, and yes, you have to go. 3, okay, and you, 4, alright. Oh, guess what? Somebody has got months only. Max is only 3 years old. Yeah, so oh yeah, well done. How did you guess? Oh, wait a minute. I remember now. You were here this morning when I showed you. You watched the show already, huh? So you knew the answer. Cheated? No? Never? Well, you guessed what kind of game you dropped the prices, so alright. Well done, okay. Alright, so that's the thing we're going to do. That's the last guess. Next what we're going to do is we're going to see Bangkok, these are found in South Asia, India, also known as the rock Nepal. That's because it's green, and these are found in very rocky areas. So this is recovery, and oh, this, if somebody touches it, we're going to turn it around really quick. That will test you. Yeah, and I was really good with this. Does anyone know how many reasons are there around? How many, sir? 270. Wow, interesting. Anyone else with an answer? 180. There you go. Okay. Is there another answer we can do? 360, huh? Okay, interesting. Many answers, and let's see if we get this right. How many think that is 180 degrees together? 180 degrees together. That's right. That's right. There's one here, and right there. So you got 270 degrees, didn't you? Ah, wow. Slightly more hands up. Well, okay, nice. Last one. 360 degrees. Where all the rest of the hands? Let's see that now. There you go. So, depending on every job, the right answer is 270 degrees. Yeah, that's correct. There's 180. It's just behind you. See, you're here, that's on the side. 180. 360. That's actually cool. So, yeah, it won't be in the outside. I just drop off. There you go. Okay, that's what I'm saying. Okay, there we go. Hey, hi, everybody. Wow, here we go. Oh, there goes my new official. Well done, Andre. How was it? Amazing. Yeah, you know, amazing. Wasn't it really amazing? You know why? That's another thing they know. Yes, I feel Andre. I know I've done it not very long, but any idea what's the process? Okay, okay, even though we have weight gas, Hazel, that's it. And Hazel, the point now, rice course back, okay, and nice to meet you, and have a look, okay? Alright, Hazel, let's go again. Here's 100, 200. It's still very well, stay still. I'm gonna take my hand, actually sideways, just like that. Okay, slow, going, okay, something now, get right. And go, there is a nice face, smile. And not you, just good. I am kidding, I think it's a lovely picture. Now, Hazel, there is a good ocean, good ocean of Africa. There are many species of ocean in Africa, but the good ocean is only one of the smallest species of any single ocean very soon. Now, we'll be watching Hazel, every man has to go, let's go, she's on the next picture. Hello, Hazel, what is ocean rate? Let's take out your leg. And the first one, unlike this is the white-headed vulture. Those here is more rewards, and they're known as the white-backed vultures. So all these species of vultures I just spoke of all around in Africa. Like I said earlier, you find many species of vultures in Africa, and there's big one right inside the community. So this is a Cenarius vulture. These vultures are from our nation. What you see now is a very one site of our vultures don't exist, and live right under in the wild. More than showing us why. We're like a